Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the eBay business vlog. Check out this fly. So we made a lot of changes just last night with the eBay space. So let me give you guys a quick tour. Okay, just entering the eBay space. As you can see, we have this little guy hanging up now. It is a lot clearer than before. You guys might not be able to tell as much, but as you can see, we now have a little lamp in that little back corner. We moved some stuff over here, and all the junk is accumulating over there in that pile. And I actually just changed the light last night as well, so we have some nice white LED lights that I mentioned I was going to change. We don't need those right now, and like I mentioned before, this is the only outlet that works. So I have an extension cord running all the way through the back there. That's what you guys saw me doing in the beginning of the video, and I have this little cord focus. I have this cord rung up here, and now this is going to be my little testing station. I have a couple outlets here, and we decided to separate the eBay inventory based off of whose account. So everything that's on my account is going on the left side here. Everything on my wife's profile will be going over there on the right side, and this is the table that we have not listed yet. So this is basically our death pile at the moment. So we had to go through and list some of this good stuff that we had. We also went through and got rid of a decent amount of stuff that we didn't want anymore. Some of the stuff that we purchased early on that wouldn't sell, or some of the stuff I had around that I thought would sell, but in hindsight I don't think will sell. So let me just show you guys what that pile looks like. And we also have a nice little listing station here. I'm gonna have my main light, not that one, but like I have a studio light that I'm just gonna hook to a little extension cord running here, and then we're gonna be able to take some pictures there, and that's just a ladder. So as you can see, we have a decent amount of stuff that we're going to be donating today. We have 2 boxes in the back here full of stuff, and we have that DVD changer that I decided to just get rid of because it's going to be really difficult to ship. We also got a couple of the breast pumps that I got because I don't feel very confident that they actually work as they should, so I don't want to take a chance on that. Back seat here, we have a bunch of the VHS tapes that we got really early on in the eBay series, and we have another box of miscellaneous electronics and stuff that I'm gonna get rid of because I know they won't sell for a decent price. And that's us cleaning out our inventory. A huge tip for anyone that's just starting to resell on eBay, I recommend just starting with like a handful of items that you think could sell, and just to learn the process. I think when I started, I only purchased a handful of things. I just happened to have a lot of extra stuff laying around because we moved around the same time, so I had a bunch of stuff. I was like, I don't need that anymore, but I'll just store it in case I could actually sell it on eBay. A majority of that stuff that you saw in the previous clip is items that I already had that didn't end up selling. There was only a handful of items in there that I purchased with the intent to resell that didn't work out. So that's my biggest tip for new resellers is start small. Don't try to grow too quick. So let's get on to what sold. So today I sold this little gem right here. This is an iPod Shuffle, and I actually picked this up a couple months ago. I refound it after we decided to go through all of our eBay stuff that we keep in the basement. We sold the iPod Shuffle for $45.99, and I actually had to pay up for this item. I bought it for about $13 at Goodwill. They had it behind their shelves where they keep the more valuable stuff, and it's about a $30 flip, so I'm pretty happy about it, especially since I just listed this last night. So just keep that in mind. If you have a bunch of stuff in your death pile, some of it will flip pretty quickly, so just get out there and list them. If you guys ever find any iPod Shuffles, they go for pretty much around $40 to $60 range. Used, and if you get them for new, they could go anywhere between like $80 to $100, so keep that in mind. So I actually already pulled this item here. So I sold this bundle of Just Dance games. As you can see, I have Just Dance 2, Just Dance 3, Just Dance 2014, and 2015. So I got each of these for about $1 each. So we were able to sell them for, whip out my phone, for $26.99. I actually had this listed for a while and they haven't been selling. I had like 4 watchers, and just yesterday I sent an offer out to everyone, giving out I think $2 or $3 off, and then somebody shortly after that actually purchased the item at full price. So not sure how that worked, but pretty happy with the sale. So those are the 2 items that sold today, and I think that as soon as you start listing or actually using the eBay app a little more, it registers that you're an active user and it'll push your listings up higher in the search. Because for a while there, I wasn't using the eBay app at all. I didn't list. I wasn't scrolling on the eBay app purchasing anything. I mean, I haven't purchased anything on eBay in a long time, but I just have been listing a little bit, have been revising my listings, and sales have picked up. So another pro tip for you guys. So I think I'm just gonna put this in a poly bag. Let's see if we could find the right bag for it. So I'm gonna try to put these in one of my Amazon bags. See if this will work. Just slide this baby in there. And just like that, we have our package.